crowd at the Banana Cabana goes wild as Howie the Danger Dog is about to perform his most spectacular jump ever! The ultimate twirly-whirly and neato mid-air underwear! Amazingness Fantastical's Ultra Bear Derriere Rotation Maneuver! Ta-da! Check, please. Perfect.
I loved it too, Howie. So much fun. Maybe the most fun I've had in the last 3 minutes.
You had fun? Really?
Oh, absolutely. I could watch you do that or something equally purposeless all day.
Dog boring. Piggy bored. Everyone bored.
Oh, come on. No one's bored. Okay, there's got to be something fun to do. Let's brainstorm. Bunny, go.
Oh, we could race all around the world and collect different types of shells.
Octo,
Me? I didn't know there'd be a quiz.
Duck, wow me.
One word. Party hats!
I like where your head's at. Birthday party it is.
But it isn't anybody's birthday.
Okay, then we'll just celebrate everyone's birthday.
Another sweet idea, Howie.
I'm all about sweet ideas. That's why I'm the manager of this semi-fine hotel.
I thought it was because your dad owns it.
That too. Octo, take this down. We're gonna need little things on toothpicks, clog dancing music, fireworks, bocce balls. Someone who knows what bocce balls are.
What are these?
Fire trucks, a field of gumdrops, and a squeegee. Got it?
Oh, tentacle cramp.
Narwhal will sing.
Wouldn't be a party without me.
Piggy will cook.
Party will love food. Or else.
And I'll do my most dangerous trampoline stunt ever.
Could you please keep your pants on this time?
No promises. Duck, you get the party decorations from the cellar.
What is a cellar?
Bunny, you're on guest detail. Get lots of them. All right, everyone, let's go!
All right, guys, let's do this.
Do you think this will work out okay?
Not likely.
Come one, come all to the best party ever! Bring all your friends, except the boring ones.
Sorry, guys.
See you tonight at the Banana Cabana!
I should really pace myself.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby 1, 2, 3, 4.
Smooth work on those snacks, Piggy-san.
Ow!
Okay, since everything's under control here, I'm gonna go down to the cellar to get my Dick Danger outfit.
Oh. Broken.
Duck, can you go up and fix the trampoline?
For the love of Neptune, somebody save me!
And go untangle Octo.
But I just need to fix that.
There's no time, Duck. The party's starting and I need to change into my Dirk Danger outfit.
Okay, I'm out of here.
Today's the day I make Dirk Danger proud. My trampoline stunt is gonna rock!
Our guests should be here any minute now.
Maybe no one's coming. Maybe no one's ever gonna come. Maybe we'll be alone forever. Maybe I overreacted.
Oh, yes! My old Dirk Danger fan club costume. Yep, still smells dangerous. And moldy. So tight! Still fits. Huh? Great. I'm stuck down here. Now I can't feel my legs. Still look good, though.
Just one more and... You! Bird thing! I scoop you! Oh, come back here.
There's a lot of people out there, guys, and we're running out of food and drinks and air. No, we still have air.
Piggy need more lard to make brilliant creations. You, lazy weird thing, come! We get lard from the cellar.
Ow.
Hey, that feels kind of nice. Huh? Oh! Wait, hold the door! Hold the door! Oh. Guys, I've got some good news and some bad news. The good news? I look awesome. And the bad news? We're stuck down here. Maybe even forever. Ever.
Stuck I show you stuck. She's stuck. Sharabua, sharabua, beep, hop, habadoo, beep, whoop, whoop, down. Hey, thank you. I could go on all night. Back in 5. Octo, my cephalopod brother. Nice me up.
A little busy. The ice is in the cellar. Could you get Howie up here? The crowd is getting restless. The food is gone. The bathroom is overflowing. And I think they want to start a conga line. I have 8 legs, Narwhal. It's very complicated.
Right, I'll fetch Howie. You stay buttery.
I think I feel something moving. Wait, no. Come on. Ooh.
Suck it up, danger doggy. Private party? Can't be. I wasn't invited. Piggy, go find Lard now. So, we're all locked in here, aren't we? Aha! Well, Lordy, Lord!
I've got a plan. Let's get the ramp.
Oh,
Wow, this is way better than a real birthday party. Hey, where's Howie and everybody? They're totally missing out.
Howie's still in the cellar. I sent Narwhal down to get him, and now they're both gone.
Well, don't worry. You stay here. I'll go down and get them. Oh, and while I'm gone, don't mess up the party. Bye-bye.
Almost fixed. Done.
Sweet ride.
Needs one more spring.
Nice job, everyone. Just a little more lard, and I'm taking this box right through that door. Oh, yeah. Here I go.
Hey, Howie.
Hey, why are you guys down here? And how come nobody told me there'd be rides?
The door!
How's this even possible?
Da-la-la-la. Ah! Score! Da-da-da-la-la.
Sorry. Sorry. Hey, Steve. Why do we have so many pots?
Later. Hey, Howie.
Man, I tell you, we're missing one fun party up there.
Marshmallow bridge not finished. Special tasty cakes not made. Piggy, no get to lick icing spoon. Oh, poor Piggy. Icing spoon.
Well, Octo is still up there. At least he's having fun.
I am having no fun at all. Where is everybody? Howie, Bunny, Narwhal, Sloth, Piggy.
Okay, everybody ready? 1, 2, 3.
How could you leave me alone up there? You know I hate crowds.
So now it's an unsupervised party? Those are always the best ones.
Bye-bye.
Later. Thanks for leaving. Bye-bye.
Great party.
Kibby, honk, honk.
The walls are closing in. How long have I been in here?
4 minutes.
Oh, it just hit me. Duck must have been trying to fix the door before. I made him fix my trampoline instead. Funny, huh? Guys, this is really helping. I can feel my legs again. See, I knew we'd find something fun to do.
Hey, Howie, I fixed your trampoline.
Nice job, Duck!
I can fly?
Don't worry, I'm cool. So, Duck, how was the party?
What party?
Sweet.